Hello and good day everybody, we meet again with me, Ik, the Honda guys. And today I'm not going to review any new car, but I'm going to bring you guys into one of the most important facilities center for Honda car owner. But before that, I need to remind all of you to support us by subscribing to this channel. There is also a giveaway contest going on, where you will have the chance to win the Samsung Watch 4. What you need to do is very simple. You need to comment #THG giveaway and that's it. So what are you guys waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now. Today I'm at Honda Body and Paint Center in Seremban, and it is operated by Ban Leheng Motors in Berhad. And why I said this facility is important to the Honda car owner is because of this. What if your Honda involved in a traffic accident or struck by a Mother Nature force, or worse, when you try to maneuver into a parking spot in the shopping mall and suddenly hit the building pillar? Where do you send your car to be repaired and restored to its original condition? This is why I said earlier that the official Honda Body and Paint Center is very important for the Honda car owner. And today I'm going to show you 3 major reasons why you should choose Honda Body and Paint Center over the unauthorized third-party repair shop. Let's go. Reason number 1 is the equipment. Every car that comes out from the factory will have the chassis that have the specific measurement for every corner. And let's say the car involved in a major accident like this, the chassis will bend and deform. So to get back the exact measurement like the new car, technician from Honda Body and Paint will use this machine called Car Aligner. They have the database that will match every Honda car that need the chassis to be fixed to its original state. So you will not have the misaligned chassis for your car, which will affect the drivability and your safety as well. Next is the spare part. At Honda Body and Paint Center, they only use original spare part manufactured by Honda at their various plants across the globe. Like this rear side seal, it is stated that its particular spare parts are made in Thailand, while these Honda SS accessories are made in Indonesia. All technicians here have to go an extensive training at Honda's facility, where they will be assessed to be the certified Honda technician. There are also an online training for them to update their knowledge and skill according to Honda standard. So there is no need to worry when you send your car here for a body repair. They are attended by the certified technician and the spare parts are also original. Next is the paint booth. After your car is fixed with the car aligner or when the body parts has been replaced, they need to be painted with the same color code as when they are new. For example, the new Honda City that comes with Passion Red Pearl. And to get the exact same color as the original, the painter will then mix a certain color according to the guideline provided by Honda Malaysia. After the paint is ready, the painter will equip the protective gear before entering the paint booth. Here, the paint process will take around 1 to 2 hours depending on the painting area. The bigger the area needs longer time to be painted. Keep in mind that they will apply a several layer of paint to make sure the result is similar to the Honda standard. Also note that the Honda is using water-based paint, where the unauthorized painting center don't use. The water-based paint is much easier to apply and it is also having faster drying time. It is also very resistant to cracking and less likely to fade with extended exposure to ultraviolet. After that, the paint will sit in the paint booth and the heater will be turned on to let the paint dry in a very short time, around 1 to 2 hours. If everything is okay, your car will be sent here for polishing, and lastly is the QC final inspection. The process to get your car to be repaired from the beginning to the end will take around 1 month. This is of course will be delayed if there is the need to order a certain spare part from the factory itself. Some people told me that the official Honda Body and Paint is quite expensive compared to the unauthorized center. Well, the sad truth is, yes, it is a little bit pricey, but at least you'll be worry-free because they have all the tools and state-of-the-art technologies to get your car to be repaired like its original states. Plus, the car is attended by certified Honda technician and the spare parts are the genuine Honda spare part. So, if you have Honda car that need to be fixed, do drop by this Honda Body and Paint Center that is operated by Ban Leheng Motors in Berhad. I'll put the location in the description below for your reference. Or you can directly call their manager number, also in the description below. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel and comment #THG giveaway for a chance to win the Samsung Watch 4. I'm Ik, signing off from this week's video. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. See you guys next time. Ciao.